Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my basement grow area where I'm starting my vegetables from seed, and I'll show you how I've made this and all that good stuff in this video. But I want to give you a preview of what my plants look like just a few weeks after building this. So let's take a look. And I just moved these over here because I was running out of height, and this one over here. But absolutely amazing growth. Everything's looking amazing. So let's take a look at how I made this. And of course, what you see here will be a link in the description below. Let's get started. Hey everyone, thank you for watching the video. And secondly, this is the double reflective insulation 48-inch by 20-foot window insulation for a winter reflective window film for roof, car, garage doors. But I used it totally different. I used it to make a little grow area in my basement. So as you can see, I have a shelf area right here, and you can see how big this thing is. It's absolutely massive. What I love about this is that it's not only reflective, but it gives off insulation at the same time. So right here, I'm throwing it into my little area, and this is really kind of an experiment, just see how it'll play out. And I'm showing it right here, the way I set it up, and I didn't put any sort of stickiness on the backside. I just kind of cut it out and put it up in there, and then I'm cutting it right here, as you can see. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this ended up awesome, and you can use it for, like it's supposed to be used for window insulation, but I used it for this and it worked out perfect. And I have a lot left over, but I wanted to use the excess for something else. And you can see right here this Velcro, these little Velcro dots, they work great, and I just threw some excess up there. But this is the inside of my little grow area, and I threw some, little LED lights in there and everything, but this is all about this reflective area, and it came out absolutely stunning. This is it without the lights on, but as soon as I turn the lights on, you're going to see how much light this stuff reflects. And like I said, when you're doing starters and everything, it's a little bit about the heat too. You want to keep in a little bit of warmth in there, and I do use some heaters underneath the plants, and with the lights, it all worked out perfect. And already I can see a big difference in my plants. They've already grown like an inch in literally like 4 or 5 days. It's kind of crazy. I threw some plastic on the front of this little project, as you can see. I had plenty left over to put in the front, but I wanted to use it for my shelving unit, and this is what I do right here. I wanted to add a few more shelves, and this is how much I still had left over. Absolutely crazy for the money. I mean, how can you go wrong on this? So extremely excited about this. Worked out perfect. I would suggest this to anybody who wants to insulate your windows or make a grow area like I did. So thanks for watching.